Hi, Mom.
Hey.
I'm gonna try this new thing out here, the new angle. I could see the sky already. That's much better. It's gonna be more wobbly. That's what the whole point is, to not be. It fixes that. You're standing on this thing, cheese.
Alright.
Okay. All right. We'll have a good walk.
Okay, I will.
We're just gonna run in the field a little bit. See you, Mom. All right, geez, let's go. Well, that's not gonna work. I don't see that there. Come on, cheese. 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 Come on. Come on, cheese, let's go. I hope she's not eating something. Come on. So I know what cheese is doing because she doesn't like it when a group splits up. So having my mom go south and us go north is gonna give her trouble. She doesn't like that. So she'll be all right. So it'll be interesting to see this video because it is terribly shaky. I do see one dog out there. We'll probably bring it in early. Watching him. He's in a leash too. I'm gonna loop it around. He's out there. She's always happy to turn around. We're going over this thing. Come on, cheese. Can do a little more running than that. Put all this ridiculous stuff on. Pretty clouds, you know. Got a little bit of rain last night. There's that dog running free. He's having a good time. Come on, cheese. We got somebody up here. Got a lot of birds. But there's a person coming at us. Looks like a walker. Come on, cheese. So I'm not holding the camera right now. I'm not really holding the camera ever, but it points down on this rig I got hooked up. So I'm holding it facing forward. I don't have to aim it, I just have to hold it up. If that makes sense, I don't know. Cheesy! Cheese! He's getting lazy on me. Come on, Cheese. Let's go. Morning. I gotta be the weirdest guy on the track today with a camera strapped to his chest. See how Cheese does. Cheese is good. Come on, Cheese. Looks like there's a coyote behind me following me. Here's the cottonwood if you need shade on this trail. It is the spot to get your shade. Otherwise it's sun. So I'll get to the end, I'll turn around, I'll jog back. I do want to walk a little bit to see if this setup, there goes point down, I let go for a second. To see if this setup, the shaky quality at a walking speed, and I'd imagine that it won't just fall down to the ground and point down right away. So that's the plan. And last time my hands were in it a ton. It was like a lot of hands, obviously, I guess. This time my right hand is not in it at all. This is actually behind the camera. My left hand, I don't know what it's doing. It might be in shot, it might not. All something to see, I guess. Alright, we're at Rock Road. Living it around. Dog stayed at the tree. There's neaters. It's pretty good. I think it's closed for good. If not just for COVID, but new restaurant that wasn't off to a great start. We just hit a mile. Now, the mile didn't start when I started the video. I started from home. There's a walker that Cheese is looking at. Almost a weird run and walk. Come to the left and that by Haverty's. She goes, I've never seen anybody over there doing laps. That's weird. Well, I set out just to run a mile, put my mile course, had that first dog on it in the field. So, didn't do that, but I've already ran my little quick mile here. good morning for a run. It is humid. But other than that, it's not terribly humid. It's just definitely, I'm in the maybe low 80s, high 70s. It's not cool, but for being August, that's really good. Being cloudy, that's really good. All right, I'm gonna walk here and see how the footage changes. I'm gonna pause my run. All right, hands free. It does seem more wobbly on the device it's on. I'll take a little video with my phone here so I could remember the setup. These videos are just more for me than anything. All right, well, here's the setup. So as I run, it heads down. So I ended up, that's over the camera, I can't film like that, holding it like this. Which is fine, whatever. I guess the hands-free would be optimal. Anyway, there's that. Got that going on. She thought you saw something. Texting Janice, wandering up the trail a little bit. Alrighty. Well, this has definitely been long enough to walk and test that. You want to keep running. Put my phone back in my phone holder belt retention device. All right, let me just get ready to do this. You ready, Cheesy? Cheese is always stronger running home than running out. Alright, where is it? Holding the camera again. Let's go, Cheese. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Run a little faster. Let's go, Cheese. I don't think you can see it though. So that this hyper boost crops the edges to eliminate shaking. So the frame is a lot tighter than I'm used to with the GoPro. So I think ideally you record smooth footage. That's the best way to do it. A couple of runners up ahead. We're in divert anyway. Let's get in there, Sheila. Leave me down. All right. I'm gonna take the camera off and call it good. Just a little ways home.